Welcome. In front of me is a REALME GT Neo 3, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, pull down your notification panel, expand it, and once you locate the screen recording toggle, which for me is the last toggle right here, you can either hold it. This will take you to the settings where you can customize the quality of the recording. So as an example, you can go to the definition and set it as an example to high, which will give you a higher resolution with a better bit rate, improving the quality of the recording itself. You can also select a frame rate right here. So we have dynamic, which will automatically adjust based on what it's shown on the screen. And there's a couple additional toggles which you can turn on or off depending on what you prefer. But once you went to the settings and you're ready to record, simply press on the toggle, let's agree and continue. Allow screen recording to take pictures and video recording. Obviously you need that, otherwise you cannot record the screen, so you can select that. Allow screen recording to record audio. Yes, it has the option to record internal and external audio, so you do need that. You do have a choice if you don't want to record either one, so don't worry. Then allow screen recording to make and manage phone calls. Now, I'm not exactly sure why it needs that, to be perfectly honest, but without it, it won't work. So I guess allow. Allow screen recording to access photos and media. This is kind of counterintuitive. It wants access to storage. So it can actually save the video recording to your gallery. And there we go. Once we agree through all of those, these are going to show up only once. So next time you press on the button, it will automatically show you this overlay. And from here, press on the red circle. So we'll start recording, and whatever you will do right now will be recorded by the phone. Now once you're done with it, you can interact with the overlay, click on the red square, and this will save your video recording to your Photos application. So you can see it's right over here. Now for some reason it's not playing. Come on. Okay, let's try to close this and reopen it. There we go, now it's playing. So there we go, that's the video or screen recording. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.